To learn how to delete or remove an event, please create a new one now. If you are the owner of the event or have the ability to modify it, when you delete the event, it will be removed from your calendar and those of all of your invited guests. If you've been invited to an event, you can remove it from your own calendar if you need to. To remove an event from calendar, first click on it in your main calendar view. Next, click the Delete button. When you delete a repeating event, you will have the option to delete just that single event, all the events in the series, or just the upcoming event in the series. Once you click Delete, a pop-up window will appear with the option to undo the action. Simply tap Undo while the window is open, and your event will be restored. If it has been less than 30 days since you deleted the event, you can still restore it. To restore an event you have deleted, first click the drop-down menu next to the calendar in the My Calendars list, and then click View Trash. A window will open containing all the events that have been deleted from that calendar. Click the box next to an event to select it, and you can use the buttons at the bottom to restore it or delete it forever. There's also a link at the top of the window that you can click to empty the entire trash at once. While the trash cannot be accessed on mobile devices, any item deleted on a mobile device can be restored using the desktop calendar app.